So are you an avid golfer thinking of making your move to Auburn, California? Well, in today's video, I want to take a look at the 2 golf courses that are right here in Auburn. So let's do it. If this is your first time to the channel, you'd like to stay informed about the current market in the greater Sacramento area, then please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. My name is Carla and I'm with Gold Group Realty and would love to have the opportunity to help you buy or sell your home in the greater Sacramento area. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. Well, I'm standing here in front of the Ridge Golf Course on Golf Course Road in Auburn, California. We're going to take a look in just a minute, but before we do, I want to tell you there's 170 acres of oak-studded hills and knolls here. There's a lot of rock outcroppings here with beautiful views, and there's a 100-foot elevation change on the course. You just feel like you're in the wide open country here, and there's absolutely no homes nearby at all. Let's go take a look. Well, here's a part of the course up by the golf club itself. And as you can see, there's some geese down there grazing in the grass. There's a little water spot out there, and I hear there are a few of these on this course. It makes it a little more challenging, but a lot of fun as well. Let's go take a look around some more. Here's one of the many statues that are around the golf course here. There's one of horses that are down at the bottom of the hill. This beautiful view. I hope you enjoyed your tour of this beautiful golf course. Let's go check out the next one. Well, here we are at the Black Oak Golf Course on Black Oak Road in Auburn, California. It's right off of Dry Creek Road, which is a really nice windy little road out in the country in North Auburn. So this is a beautiful 9-hole golf course that's nestled in the pines. It makes you feel like you're in the mountains, but we're just here in the foothills. A lot of the holes are straightforward here, but there are plenty of challenging opportunities here with low-hanging oak branches and a lot of water spots here. So let's go check it out. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the golf courses in Auburn, California today. As you can see, the Black Oak Golf Course has a totally different feel than the Ridge Golf Course that we looked at earlier. It's just beautiful, spread out, makes you feel like you're in the mountains here, and just a lot of trees and ponds down there, so it's just gorgeous. It's always cooler to golf up here in the foothills than it is down in the valley. So people like to golf up here in Auburn. So if you have any questions about Auburn or the golf courses around here, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up so that I know you liked it. And until then, I will see you around town.